Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's talk a little bit more about the WooCommerce. I'm going to be showing you how to create a parent and subcategories, thumbnails for the new shop blocks, and linked into the actual main menu. So everything starts into the category manager. On the left side you will see the add new category that appears here directly into my dashboard. You can see the actual element that says products, and here you have the element that says categories. So here into this left section you can see the element that says adding the new category. So you can type a name and a slug. So the name is what the customers see. For example, let's go for t-shirts. The slug is the URL version. Let's say for example t-shirts. And if you leave this slug blank, WordPress will be creating one for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Now don't skip the description, because nowadays many modern themes use this text to improve your category page CEO, telling Google exactly what this group of product is about. So let's say for example these are custom t-shirts from our retro sponge website, right? Display type, you can go for products, and now here have the parent and the subcategories. If you wanted to put hoodies, for example, inside clothing, just select the clothing as the actual parent, right? You can go for subcategories, and you can add a new category directly in here, right? So here's my first one, and here's the second one. Now if you want, for example, now to focus into the CEO elements with the WooCommerce nowadays, if a product is in both, the URL will now automatically use the deepest one, clothing hoodies my product, because it's more specific and better for rankings. So you might want to be sure that you have added the right description, the right slug, and the right name for the product into your own website. Once you finish with all of these elements, you can head back directly here into view, so you can check out how it actually looks your product default. So as you can see, here's my home and here's my t-shirt elements, and you can add your actual product, and you can add them directly into your elements really fast. Now many store layouts show the category cards with images. You can upload a high quality square image here to represent the entire category. For this, you want to focus once again back into the products. Just go for the option that says categories, and directly inside here what you wanted to do is to look out for here the element that says imaged. So if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the element that says upload. So when I select the element, say for example the one that says t-shirts, I'm going to click into the option that says edit, and I'm going to scroll all my way down, go for the option that says upload, and here I'm going to select one of my files. I use the element that says add image, and I hit update. You can choose to show product subcategories or both when someone clicks the category. I usually recommend it both to help people keep digging into your store, which is going to be really great. So I'm going to hit for the option that says go to categories. Hit the blue button and your category is official the databases. Now your category exists, but is not appearing now into the menu yet. So to appear into the editor, for here we're going to focus for the site editor. Let's go for my actual website. Let's go for my site editor once again. And into the navigation bar, you can focus for the product category link block, and you can select your actual new category. But in conclusion, your store is now organized and ready for the actual traffic. So if you wanted to see how to automatically filter products using these categories, you can let us know into the comments below, so we can create an actual video for you guys. If you have a question, you can let us know down below in the comment section. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all that's been said, we can all see you next time.